नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद. Enunciating text 18, text 19, text 20 and text 21 of chapter 14, pregnancy of Diti in the evening of third canto the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 18. सर्वा श्रमानुपादाय स्वाश्रमेण कलत्रवान् व्यसनार्णव मत्येति जलयानैर यथार्णवम्. As one can cross over the ocean with sea-going vessels, one can cross the dangerous situation of the material ocean by living with a wife. There are 4 social orders for cooperation in the endeavor for liberation from material existence. The orders of brahmacharya or pious student life, household life with a wife, retired life and renounced life all depend for successful advancement on the householder who lives with a wife. This cooperation is essential for the proper functioning of the institution of the 4 social orders and the 4 spiritual orders of life. This Vedic Varnashrama system is generally known as the caste system. The man who lives with a wife has a great responsibility of maintaining the members of the other social orders, the brahmacharis, vanaprasthas and sannyasis. Except for the gruhasthas or the householders, everyone is supposed to engage in the spiritual advancement of life, and therefore the brahmachari, vanaprastha and sannyasi have very little time to earn a livelihood. They therefore collect alms from the gruhasthas, and thus they secure the bare necessities of life and cultivate spiritual understanding. By helping the other 3 sections of society cultivate spiritual values, the householder also makes advancement in spiritual life. Ultimately, every member of society automatically becomes spiritually advanced and easily crosses the ocean of nescience. Text 19. यामाहुरात्मनो हयर्धम श्रेयस कामस्य मानिनी यस्यां स्वधुर्मध्यस्य पुमांश चरति विज्वरः. O respectful one, a wife is so helpful that she is called the better half of a man's body because of her sharing in all auspicious activities. A man can move without anxiety, entrusting all responsibilities to his wife. By the Vedic injunction, the wife is supposed to be the better half of a man's body because she is supposed to be responsible for discharging half of the duties of the husband. A family man has a responsibility to perform 5 kinds of sacrifices called Pancha Yajna in order to get relief from all kinds of unavoidable sinful reaction incurred in the course of his affairs. When a man becomes qualitatively like the cats and dogs, he forgets his duties to cultivate spiritual values, and thus he accepts his wife as a sense gratificatory agency. When the wife is accepted as a sense gratificatory agency, personal beauty is the main consideration, and as soon as there is a break in personal sense gratification, there is disruption or divorce. But when husband and wife aim at spiritual advancement by mutual cooperation, there is no consideration of personal beauty or the disruption of so-called love. In the material world, there is no question of love. Marriage is actually a duty performed in mutual cooperation as directed in the authoritative scriptures for spiritual advancement. Therefore, marriage is essential in order to avoid the life of cats and dogs who are not meant for spiritual enlightenment. Text 20. Yama Shritin Driyat Ratin Durjaya Nita Rashramaiha Vayam Jayema Helabhira Dasyun Durgapatir Yatha. As a fort commander very easily conquers invading plunderers, by taking shelter of a wife, one can conquer the senses which are unconquerable in the other social orders. Of the four orders of human society, the Brahmachari order or student life, the Gruhastha or household life, the retired life or Vanaprastha life, and the renounced or sannyasi order, the householder is on the safe side. The bodily senses are considered plunderers of the fort of the body. The wife is supposed to be the commander of the fort, and therefore whenever there is an attack on the body by the senses, it is the wife who protects the body from being smashed. The sex demand is inevitable for everyone, but one who has a fixed wife is saved from the onslaught of the sense enemies. A man who possesses a good wife does not create a disturbance in society by corrupting virgin girls. Without a fixed wife, a man becomes a debauchee of the first order and is a nuisance in society unless he is a trained brahmachari, vanaprastha or sannyasi. Unless there is a rigid and systematic training of the brahmachari by the expert spiritual master, and unless the student is obedient, it is sure that the so-called brahmachari will fall prey to the attack of sex. There are so many instances of fall down, even for great yogis like Vishwamitra. A Gruhastha is saved, however, because of his faithful wife. Sex life is the cause of material bondage, and therefore it is prohibited in 3 ashramas and is allowed only in the Gruhastha ashram. The Gruhastha is responsible for producing first quality brahmacharis, vanaprasthas and sannyasis. Text 21. Na vayam prabhavastam tva manu kartum gruheshwari apyayusha va kartasnena ye chanye gunagrudha navaha. O queen of the home, we are not able to act like you, nor could we repay you for what you have done. Even if we work for our entire life or even after death, to repay you is not possible, even for those who are admirers of personal qualities. So much glorification of the woman by the husband indicates that he is henpecked or is talking lightly in joke. Kashyapa meant that householders living with wives enjoy the heavenly blessings of sense enjoyment and at the same time have no fear of going down to hell. The man in the renounced order of life has no wife and may be driven by sex desire to seek another woman or another's wife and thus go to hell. In other words, the so-called man in the renounced order who has left his house and wife goes to hell if he again desires sexual pleasure knowingly or unknowingly. In that way, the householders are on the side of safety. Therefore, husbands as a class cannot repay their debt to women either in this life or in the next. Even if they engage themselves repaying the woman throughout their whole lives, it is still not possible. Not all husbands are as able to appreciate the good qualities of their wives. Even though one is able to appreciate these qualities, it is still not possible to repay the debt to the wife. Such extraordinary praises by the husband for his wife are certainly in the mode of joking. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.